na talagang bukas yung. So some of the things that will be covered sa ating social media management and marketing class na may kasamang internship would be graphics and video creation, calendar, brand audit. I think nadidiscuss din doon yung skill mapping ni Adina and a whole lot more. So basically, our SMM class or social media management and marketing class has internship and it's only 999 pesos. Pero just a heads up ha, ire ay sa June 22 pa bukas. Ang klase. Bukas. Magkakape muna ako, wait. So sa June 22 pa yung klase nito pero binuksan na namin ng maagap yung form because yung waitlist namin umabot na siya ng nasa 200 plus. So sa dami ng tao na gusto mag-join, we want to make sure na we save a spot na for those people who really wants to join. Kasi baka mamaya i-reserve namin yung spot tas di pa pala kayo decididong mag-join. So anyway, if you guys wanna join, punta muna kayo sa profile ko. I-click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko na yun. Pagkatapos, it will open this page, which is what we call the Gig Hub. Ito na yung bago nating community website where everything about freelancing is here. Tapos hanapin mo live mentorship, 999 social media management with internship. I-click mo lang yun pagkatapos, it will open the form na to enroll. Kung nasa Instagram ka, ito yung i-click mo. In case hindi gumana yung TikTok at saka Instagram, hanapin nyo lang yung Facebook page ko. Pagkatapos, makikita nyo itong video na to. Nandun sa mismong caption yung link. Ganun din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang. So just to do a quick recap, yes, open na po yung form to join our June class ng Social Media Management and Marketing. At guys, ito yung pinakang juicy. So, ang daming gustong mag-enroll dito kaya mabilis maubos yung spot. It's only 999 pesos. Meron na siyang kasamang internship. Sana nasagot ko na lahat ng questions. If may nalimutan ako, i-comment nyo na lang dito. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!